you can see the frame right here got fucked up. I don't know. Fan clutch got bent. You can see the boots. So far I took off the condenser, the radiator. I unhooked the intercooler, but I'm not gonna be able to take it out from the inside. I have to take it out from the outside. And to do that, I have to cut the brackets on this bumper. I have to cut them because I cannot get to them with a socket. Everything's bent up. So there's no room. So I'm gonna have to cut this bumper off and go from there.